It's been a good, solid 3 years with me going to the gym, and I have been exercising so well and I've gained so much fitness. I lost the weight, as you can see, I did, but I'm not going to gatekeep. I will be honest, it didn't only end with the gym. I went a step further to reverse my insulin resistance. I learned about insulin resistance. And insulin doesn't just concern people who are diabetic, it's anybody. As long as you are eating anything, still living under the sun and feeding, you've got a concern with insulin resistance. So when I learned that insulin is actually a fat storage hormone, I learned to control it. And how did I control it? I did intermittent fasting, and I'm still doing it. It went a long way in helping me with my journey. I've also made sure that I eat a low carb, high fiber, and healthy fats and protein all the time. And I didn't end there as well. I also use the protocol, which has made things super easy for me. If this is something you're looking into doing, just comment protocol and I am going to come after you.